Good morning students. Class 10 chapter 5 exercise 5.2. In the previous video we have already done exercise 5.2 up to question number 12 and we have to revise arithmetic progression, common difference, first term and the formula of nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 3 डिजिट के कितने नंबर 7 से डिविजिबल होंगे? We suppose that there are n 3-digit number which are divisible by 7. हमने उनकी काउंटिंग सपोज करी है n. Now first 3-digit number divisible by 7. आपको फर्स्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पर्टिकुलर मेथड यूज करना है. स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर इक्वल टू 100. वी नो दैट स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर इक्वल टू 100. 100 को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, रिमाइंडर इज 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and 5 is added to the 100, then we get 105. तो 105 is the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. मतलब फर्स्ट नंबर हो गया. सेकंड 105 प्लस 7 112. थर्ड 112 प्लस 7 119 एंड सो ऑन. लास्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पर्टिकुलर वर्किंग है. लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर इज 999. 999 divided by 7 we get remainder as a 5 and 999 minus 5 994. So 994 is the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. List of the number 105, 112, 119 and so on 994. Firstly we have to prove that it is an AP because common difference seen, so it is an AP. Now a equal to 105, d equal to 7, a equal to 994 and find out n. Now apply the formula of an and calculate n. Now students, match your calculation, then you apply the formula of an, put the value of an, a and d, so n equal to 128. I hope your calculation is also right. So there are 128 3-digit number divisible by 7. Note down it. Students, question number 14 is same as question number 13. Now we have to do question number 15. It's an important question. For what value of n are the nth term of 2 APs? 2 APs are given. Nth term of 2 APs are equal. दो कॉलम. In the first column we put first AP, in the second column we put second AP. In the first AP, A is equal to 63, D equal to 2. In the second AP, capital A equal to 3, capital D equal to 7. Because there are two different APs, so indicator of first term will be different and indicator of common difference also different. Put out value formula of an, a plus n minus 1 into d, an equal to a plus n minus into d. Put the value of a and d and calculate it. After calculation, matching your calculation also. Okay students, now match your calculation. Put the value of a and d. An equal to 68 plus 2n. In the second column, capital an equal to 77n minus 5. And according to question, nth term of both APs are equal. Equal रखेंगे और find out value of n. Calculate it. Okay student, put the value of an, both APs are equal and calculate it and find out n. So n equal to 13. Note down it. Okay students, Question number 16, same question number 10. Now we have to do question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term. 20th term from the last term of the AP. 3, 8, 13 and so on to 53. Note, A20 means 20th term from first. And we have to calculate 20th term from the last. So note, find out A20. In the question आपको A20 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट नहीं करनी है. क्लियर. एंड द टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट, इसके लिए पर्टिकुलर फार्मूला है Ln इक्वल टू L माइनस n माइनस वन इंटू डी. Ln इंडिकेट करेगा nth टर्म फ्रॉम लास्ट. इन द क्वेश्चन L इक्वल टू 253, D इक्वल टू A2 माइनस A1 5 और n इक्वल टू 20. Now put the value in the formula and find out L20. Okay students, match your calculation. I hope your calculation is right. So answer is 158. So 20th term from the last term is equal to 158. Note on it. Okay students, question number 18, same question number 7. So do yourself. Question number 19. Subha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. यानी किसको हर साल 200 रुपये की इंक्रीमेंट मिलती है, किसकी सैलरी 200 रुपये बढ़ जाती है हर साल. तो इन विच ईयर डिड हिज इनकम रीचेज रुपीज 7,000. स्टार्टिंग सैलरी 5,000 रुपीज. सो इट इंडिकेट फर्स्ट टर्म यानी कि ए 5,000. इंक्रीमेंट इन ईच ईयर, हर साल इसकी फिक्स इंक्रीमेंट हो रही है, इसलिए इसे कॉल कर सकते हैं कॉमन डिफरेंस डी. एंड वी सपोज दैट nth ईयर हिज इनकम विल बी रुपीज 7,000. सो an इक्वल टू 7,000 एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट n. Using the formula of an, put the value of a and d and an also and find out n. Calculate it. Now check your calculation. I hope your calculation is right. So n equal to 11. So in the 11th year his income will be rupees 7,000. Question number 20 also same as a question number 19. So we have to complete exercise 5.2. In the next video we have start exercise 5.3. Thank you.